Here's some Mayan Popol Vuh trivia. Subscribe. What is the primary language of the Popol Vuh? Is it H, Nahal, C, Spanish, or D, French? The correct answer is H. Who translated the Popol Vuh into Spanish? Is it A, Luis Fernando, B, José María Vargas, C, Don Felipe de Alvarado, or D, Diego de Landa? The correct answer is C, Don Felipe de Alvarado. What type of literature is the Popol Vuh? Is it A, historical account, B, mythological narrative, C, philosophical treatise, or D, epic poem? The correct answer is B, mythological narrative. What does the Popol Vuh describe? Is it A, mythical beasts, B, ancient recipes, C, famous battles, or D, creation of humanity? The correct answer is D, creation of humanity. What is the divine creator named in the text? Is it A, Tepo, B, Quetzalcoatl, C, Kukulkan, or D, Ra? The correct answer is A, Tepo. Which two gods are primarily involved in creation? Is it A, Odin and Thor, B, Tepo and Gukumat, C, Zeus and Hades, or D, Ra and Osiris? The correct answer is B, Tepo and Gukumats. What is the term for the book's oral tradition? Is it A, tradition oral, B, folklore, C, narrative structure, or Ditton record? The correct answer is A, tradition oral. What is the geographical region associated with the Popol Vuh? Is it A, Honduras, B, Guatemala, C, Mexico City, or D, Peru? The correct answer is B, Guatemala. When was the text first transcribed? Is it A, 14th century, B, 18th century, C, 11th century, or D, 16th century? The correct answer is D, 16th century. What book provides a historical context for the Popol Vuh? Is it A, the Annals of the Caxicals, B, the Bible, C, the Iliad, or D, the Codex Mendoza? The correct answer is A, the Annals of the Caxicals. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.